This video walks you through how to import customers into Wave. Once you are already signed into Wave, start by making sure the correct business is selected before you continue. If you manage more than one business in your account, this matters because the customer list you import will be added to the business that is currently active. After that, move to the left-hand menu and click Sales and Payments. When that section opens, click Customers. This will take you to the page where your current customer records are listed and where the import option is available. On the Customers page, click Import Customers. Depending on what you see on screen, you can also use the Import or Export button at the top of the page and then choose the Customer Import option from there. Either path brings you to the same place, so use the one that appears in your account. Wave will then open the Import Customers from CSV page. This is where you upload the file that contains the customer details you want to bring into your account. Click Choose File. Your file browser will open, and you can then locate the CSV file that contains the customer information you want to import. Select that file and confirm your choice. Wave accepts CSV files up to 10 MB, so if your file does not upload, it is worth checking that it is in CSV format and within that file size limit. Once the file name appears next to the Choose File button, click Upload and Preview Customers. Wave will process the file and show you a preview of the customer information before anything is finalized. If the file takes a moment to load, wait for the preview page to appear. When the preview is on screen, review the customer details shown there and complete the import process. This is the point where you confirm that the information from your CSV file is being recognized correctly before it is added to your customer list. After the import finishes, return to Sales and Payments and then back to Customers. Look through the customer list and confirm that your imported customers are now visible there. This final check makes sure the import completed in the right place and that the records were added to the business you selected at the beginning. Thanks for watching. Your imported customers now appear in the customers list in Wave.